Hello and welcome to Quickly. I'm Akosia and I'm going to be giving a demonstration of the Cluo app, which was built and is being hosted on AWS Amplify. Cluo is an allergy tracking app that collects and records symptoms and exposures from users in order to later generate insights from the data after analysis. For a little story time on the essence of Cluo, I've linked it above and also in the description. Let's see how it works. So Cluo has a front end where users can enter symptoms and exposures after being authenticated. So let's authenticate. I open up my Cluo app and we see that there's no account for this email. Okay, so let's go ahead and create an account. I'm going to be using my personal email and I'm going to be generating a password. Create the account and we've been sent a verification code, so I'll quickly go to my Gmail, get the verification code, paste that in the Cluo app and confirm. Now I've been signed in. So I'm going to log one exposure. The exposures are things that you suspect you might be allergic to, or just to be on the safer side, the users record just everything they've been exposed to. So foods they've eaten, soaps they've used, creams they've used, places they've been, if they've been exposed to dust and all those things. So I'm just going to use X as my exposure. Then I'll then go ahead and then log a symptom. Okay, so I'm probably experiencing a headache right now. I'm going to log that too. Let's head back to Amplify to inspect how our app is doing in the backend. We'll first look at the authentication. So we see that we created a new account on the 12th of August at 12:49 a.m. and it's confirmed because we were able to provide the one-time password from Gmail. And let's also look at our data for this user. We see the exposure we logged, and we logged that exposure shortly after creating the account. So we see that the timestamp here is quite similar to when the account was created. So this is the time it was created, and then this is also the symptom that we also logged. So the timestamp is what helps you to tell at what time exactly the user was experiencing the symptom or the user was exposed to the potential allergen. This data is securely stored in the DynamoDB table, and the authentication details too are also securely stored in Amazon Cognito. All instructions for building a similar web app have been provided on my Medium account, and the link is in the description. You could follow through to also build one. And if you're seeing this video through my Medium project, congratulations on successfully building this serverless web app. Definitely comment below and leave a link so we see the app you built exactly. These are some future production readiness considerations for Cluo. A custom domain, Amazon SNS to send notifications to remind users to record their symptoms and exposures, encryption, secrets management, and of course the main goal of Cluo, which is to analyze whatever data that the users have put into the database. The users do not only log their exposures and symptoms, but the database automatically records the time that they log this data. This is going to help the Cluo app to uncover insights such as a user experiencing itching and hives within hours of ingesting X. It's just a clue. You get the user to know what exactly to pay attention to, because you get exposed to a lot of things and it can become very difficult for you to pinpoint what exactly could be contributing or could be causing a certain symptom that you're having. So the Cluo app would be able to draw those insights for you over a certain period of time, so you know what exactly to avoid or what exactly to even look into. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to keep seeing content like this. Bye.